Hide in your little glass box, in your little glass room, all your friends.
Chris, Tammy, cousins of best mates, two together on the steps.
The streets come crashing down.
We'll see.
You've done. The shadows of doubt will race around your mind, and they will race until they've won. Point your finger, feel the blade.
I've got someone coming up. Me? To date who? A date? You've got a date? Yes, who's the date?
Me guys?
Yeah.
Give me the go.
Okay. Can I have some volunteers? Raise your hand. You, and you. Anyone from this side? You, come on up. It's crazy. You just found out your dog has eaten your phone. Maybe someone's ringing you and you can hear it from inside your dog.
Yeah, so it was a big show. It was an hour's getting in terms of light rigs and gathering and the sound and everything. So it was a real kind of baptism of fire into TIE, and that's year 8s as well. So not necessarily the most forgiving audience. But yeah.
I did the arts management degree in Leicester and was still very good friends with Stephen Pearce, who I was at school with, who did English and drama in Southampton, and at the age of 21 we decided we'd start a theatre company, thinking it'd be a bit of fun for a few months, and then we could go off and get proper jobs. And Stephen met... No, we didn't. Stephen met Mark, who discovered what our plans were and very kindly offered to arrange for us to be based at the school you worked at.
Which gave us, as a school at Oaklands in Southampton, an amazing deal where we had a theatre company on hand who we could ask to come into lessons and work with students and have some kind of proper people rather than just these teachers working with them and giving them opportunities. And I can remember you actually did a show with a whole group of young people that I wasn't involved in at all. So we got a huge amount from it, and I was always worried that the deal was very much on our side, but I think you felt the opposite.
Well, no, I mean, premises, an admin base, rehearsal space.
I ain't no big dude. That's a little year 9 kid.
Right. Nut job stands his ground and honours I! You! Not the honours, yeah? Not the subway. Yeah, you used to. I! You! Same.
You know what I didn't undo that.
There's nowhere to hide in your little glass box, in your little glass room. All your friends can watch and they'll be here soon. You can't run from your little glass town where the walls and the the streets come crashing down if you move too fast. Don't move too fast. How long will this last? How much more can you take? When will you finally bend?